Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into the world of MIRA Pharmaceuticals, a company with a name that sounds like it should be solving world hunger, but we might find out that it sold a bunch of shares to some investors. It could get a little bumpy. Before we start, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below. Come join us. So MIRA Pharmaceuticals filed what's called an 8K report. Companies use these to tell investors about big, important events that could affect their stock. This one came out on July 3, 2025. The report is about MIRA selling a bunch of its stock, specifically more than 1.5 million shares. To be exact, 1,555,741 shares of its common stock. They sold it to a big investor, what they call an institutional investor. It's basically like a big company, firm, or financial institution that invests money for others. Here's the kicker. They sold these shares at an average price of $128 a piece. The total gross proceeds when they sold totaled about $2 million. Now, of course, that's before they take out any fees or expenses. Now they did this offering through Rodman and Renshaw using a platform called Stop Block. The company used the Stop Block platform to facilitate the block trade to this single institutional investor. This may have helped to simplify the transaction. Importantly, this sale of shares didn't include any warrants. Warrants give the holder the right to buy more shares in the future at a set price. Leaving them out keeps things simpler. MIRA Pharmaceuticals is what's called an emerging growth company. This means they're a smaller company with less strict reporting requirements. Now, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. MIRA is in the drug business. The filing doesn't tell us exactly what problems they're solving, but knowing about this offering can give clues on where this company is headed. This offering tells us a few things. First, MIRA likely wants cash to fund its operations. Drug companies often need lots of money for research, testing, and getting approval for their products. Selling shares is one way to raise that money. Second, it suggests MIRA is looking to have big guys believe in them and invest in their success. So what does this all mean? MIRA Pharmaceuticals just raised a couple $1 million by selling stock to a big investor. This is likely to help them develop their medicines, but it also means existing shareholders now own a smaller piece of a company because there are more shares out there. That's our breakdown of MIRA Pharmaceuticals' recent stock sale. What do you think about this move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this analysis helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord channel in the description, and thanks for watching. See you next time.